Good evening with all my awesome friends and family. So glad you stopped in to see what I'm doing tonight. I am joining in with Crafty Girl Down South, an awesome channel as you can see. She does all kinds of beautiful things on her channel. Hope you go over and check her out. I love joining and finding new friends to join in with. And she is an awesome channel with great content on her channel. And we're doing Halloween decorating with me today. Let's see what Grandma's doing. Well, I'm starting to redecorate this tier tray for a Halloween tier tray post. I left the flowers from the previous post in it and left everything except the accessories. Now let's see if I can turn it from a Thanksgiving or a fall decor into a Halloween decor. Well, I got my little pumpkin guy in there, as you can see. Thought he was pretty cute, and I like how everything's working around him. Now let's go see if I can find some more goodies to put in my display. Well, I put a little haunted house on top. Thought it looked pretty good with it, along with our little pumpkin guy here. And we have quite a few things still to put on our display. Let's see how they're going to work out. Well, now I have placed my table and chairs in here with their little bats. What do you think? I think it's looking pretty good. Let's see what other things I can put. She cute, all dressed up in her turkey costume. I thought she was as cute as can be. What do you think? Are they not cute? This was a gift from my friend Anna Lee. Are they not the cutest little things? And I even have a little bag for their treats. One is all dressed up as a turkey, and the other one is all dressed up in her little leopard costume and her little whiskers painted on her cute little face. Are they not the cutest things? Look at those sweet little faces. Just love them. So far, this post has been 100% free. I spent no money putting it together. We still have a few more things to share. Here it is, all finished up. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty good. Best part of all, it was free. There is nothing here that I spent any money on at all. Can you believe it? Everything are things I already had or owned or have used in a past post or something like this that a friend gave me. Are they not cute? The cutest little things you ever saw. Perfect for a Halloween tier tray in the cozy corner. What do you think? I was very happy how it turned out. I hope you were too. Well, I think I liked it a little bit better bringing some moss in. I think it looked a little bare without the moss. What do you think? Do you think the moss made it better or not? And then I brought my little unicorn down here. As you can see, the unicorn has such magic crystals coming out of her hat and her little horn. You can see all the magic this fairy garden had, even though it's a tiered tray. You know how Grandma always likes to bring the miniatures in and make a little bit of magic out of it. Doesn't it look beautiful, my awesome friends? Tell me what you think. Do you like the unicorn in the back, or did you like it in the front? Which did you like better? I just like sharing and twisting and tearing things different ways and see what I like the best. I don't know. Sort of looks nice, sort of tucked back up in with the flowers, don't you think? But that's just my opinion. You let me know what you think. I think it looks better just the way it is now. the magical unicorn. Oh my gosh, isn't she beautiful with her beautiful hat with all her beautiful, wonderful crystals on it. Well, hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed what we put together today. See you in the next video, my dear.